Hello, my name is Diego Moreno. I am currently a sixth grade teacher at Newton Conover Middle School, and I'm also a graduate student at Lenore Ryan University in their Master of Science in Online Teaching and Instructional Design program. Today I'm going to give you a basic introduction to Socrative, which is an online assessment resource that can be used in any grade level by any teacher. First of all, I want to ask, what is Socrative? This comes directly from the Socrative website. Socrative does 4 functions. It gives teacher instant feedback on the results of student mastery. You can personalize the content and make any type of quiz that you want. It gives you reports on student mastery, and it's compatible with any device and any browser. Basically, you make a free account on Socrative and receive a personalized classroom number. Then you create or import existing assessments onto Socrative. You share this number with your students, and students take the assessment online. This gives you immediate feedback for students as well as teachers. And then at the end, you receive a report about your students' averages and as well as the whole class. Your first step is to create a free account. Now this is a screenshot of what my account looks like. As you can see, here's my room number, which can be personalized by you, or you can keep the one generated from Socrative. You will give your students this code whenever you want them to take a quiz. So this is what the dashboard looks like for Socrative. When you go in for the first time, you would want to create a free account, and you put in all your information. If you already have an existing account, you can go to Teacher Login, you can link it to Google, and again, here is your dashboard. Now, if you make a free account, you will have a number that is generated for you. To change this, you simply go to Settings and My Profile. You can see the room number here, and you can change it to whatever you want it to. Your next step is to create or import already existing assessments onto your Socrative account. So to create a new assessment, it's very easy. You click on Manage Quizzes in the dashboard, which I will show you in just a moment, and then you click Create Quiz or Import Quiz. Again, on the dashboard, you go to Manage Quizzes and create or import a quiz. If you want to create a new quiz, you simply put the title and choose what type of question you would like it to be. Multiple choice, true or false, or short answer. For the multiple choice, you can type your question here, and then your answer choices. To select the correct answer, you simply check one of the box that is adjacent to the correct answer. In these, you can also add images. Some practices you can use using Socrative are: it gives you instant feedback to track students' mastery of content, so you can immediately change your instruction to meet everyone's need. The reports give teacher percentage correct to clearly identify the standards or content a teacher needs to revisit or reteach. This is great for remediation or enrichment. And you use online assessments to give students practice with online assessments. We are moving into the digital age to where students need to be able to do these kinds of stuff online. So by doing a Socrative assessment, you're giving them practice in an online environment. Another great thing to do with Socrative is to build your data walls. So Socrative automatically gives you reports using Excel. You can post these reports on your data wall with percentages and averages already calculated. When you are finished making a quiz, you will go into Start Quiz, and then you will choose the quiz that you want to start. You can choose to disable student name so it's completely anonymous, randomized question order, randomized question answer order, excuse me, and disable student feedback so students aren't able to get immediate feedback. You could also choose the pace. So it could be either student paced or you can control the pace yourself. Once you choose all the features that you want, you click Start, and then this is where you'll see the live report. So again, the students will put in their number, and then you will see their names pop up. So here's an example of what a report looks like. Now, I'm not showing the names because of laws to protect students' names, but this is what a teacher would see on their side. So green means that the answer is correct. Red obviously means that it is incorrect. Socrative does not grade open-ended questions, so the teachers will have to go back and grade those separately. At the bottom, it gives you the percentage that the students as a class got correct. So for example, 23%. I know that in this question, I will have to go back and revisit it. I apologize, I realized that you didn't have a very good view of that question. So this is the question where the students as a whole class got 23%. So you can click the button, how did we do? And you can see actually the percentage of how many answered A, B, C, or D. Reports will then be housed again under Manage Quizzes and Reports. So you can go back and see all the reports from previous assessments. You can either download or view the chart on Socrative. If you would like some more information on how to use Socrative in your classroom or tutorial videos, you can visit the Socrative YouTube channel where they provide you with some very short, quick tutorials on how to use Socrative. I hope this presentation has provided you with some vital information on how to use Socrative in your classroom. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me at Diego_Moreno@nccs.k12.nc.us. Happy teaching.